Samantha brought in her broken laptop when she tried powering it on, but nothing happened. Hi, it's Mike at Payam Data Recovery, sitting with one of their data recovery engineers who began diagnosing and fixing this broken 14-inch 2023 MacBook Pro. The first thing the engineer noticed was liquid damage. He showed me the corrosion that had formed around the HDMI port, the power management area, and near the power key. This immediately told him we were dealing with water damage that had spread to critical components. When the engineer connected the laptop to his DC power supply for testing, something interesting happened. The current meter started shaking erratically, giving him a clear sign that there was a short circuit somewhere inside the motherboard caused by the corrosion. To pinpoint exactly where the problem was, he carefully removed the motherboard and injected voltage into the power lines. Using a thermal camera, he could see which area was heating up abnormally. This would lead him straight to the damaged component. Now here's something cool. The engineer used freeze spray on the suspected area while applying voltage. This cooling method helped him identify the one specific capacitor in the HDMI power management area was the culprit causing the short circuit. The solution was surprisingly straightforward, but still required a skilled touch. The engineer carefully removed the damaged capacitor with precision tools. Fortunately, this particular capacitor wasn't essential for the laptop's basic operation, so it didn't need replacement. After removing the faulty capacitor, the engineer tested the system again. The short circuit was completely gone. Samantha's laptop powered on perfectly, and over 7,000 photos and 650 videos were saved as a result of this precise repair work. Sometimes the smallest component can cause the biggest problems, but with the help from the right experts at Payam Data Recovery, even liquid damaged devices can be brought back to life.